Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Empire Stainless Steel Protractor. Wipe the pivot and scale so there's no grit. This prevents false readings. Once done, place the base flat on your reference edge and align the center pin to your layout mark. Loosen the locking screw just enough to let the arm move, then rotate it to the 0 degrees mark and red-iron gently so 0 seats without shifting. This gives you a stable baseline from which all angle work flows. You now measure and transfer the angle. Loosen the lock, swing the arm to the target degree on the etch scale, using the vernier for finer 0. 5 degrees adjustments. Make sure the base remains flush against the work edge, then tighten the locking screw firmly. Verify accuracy by applying a gentle rocking force to reveal any play. Once locked, run a scribe along the protractor arm or place a transfer rule against it and mark the workpiece, because a precise transfer matters more than speed. You finish by confirming and securing the setup. After marking, recheck the angle with the arm locked and make a second verification mark so you catch any shift. Make routine maintenance. Apply a drop of light oil to the pivot and avoid over-tightening the lock screw, which can deform the scale. If measurements wobble or don't return to 0, inspect the pivot for wear and recalibrate the 0 point. That one troubleshooting step resolves most inaccuracies and keeps the protractor reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.